Students will continue with the local time, calculation of local time in this sum. If it is known at 60 degree east longitude, then explain what would be the time at 30 degree west longitude. 60 degree east longitude, and we need to find the time at 30 degree west. To find the time, we have to find the difference. 60 plus 30. 60 plus 30 is 90 degrees. This is what we are getting is longitude. 60 plus 30, these are the 90 degree difference of longitude. Now this 90 degree we have to convert into minutes. Difference between each longitude is 4 minutes. So 90 into 4 we are doing, that is 360 minutes we are getting. 9 4s are 36. This 360 minutes we are going to convert into hours. 1 hour is 60 minutes. So 360 divided by 60 is 6 hours. So the difference between 60 degree east longitude and 30 degree west longitude is 6 hours. Now if it is 12 noon here, 12 minus 6 is 6. Now if it is noon here, so this means here it will be they are still in the morning. So 6 a.m. At 30 degree west it will be 6 a.m. Okay, a second sum is a bit lengthy but yet easy to understand. A football match is being played at Sao Paulo, Brazil, started in India at 6 a.m. India is in the eastern hemisphere. Indian standard time, you know, that is 82.5 degree east. 82.5 degree east. So this is India, and it has started at 6 a.m. here. And we need to find out the time in Brazil, which is in the western hemisphere, at 46 degree west. This will be provided to you. 46 degree west is Brazil. So now in the previous sum, what we did, we added those longitudes. Yes, we are going to do the same here. 82.5 plus 46 degree means this both longitudes we are going to add. What answer we are going to get is in points, because 82.5 plus 46 is 128.5 longitudes. Now this longitudes we have to convert into minutes. So 128.5 into 4 is 514 minutes. And this 514 minutes we are going to convert into hours. So 514 divided by 60, somewhere in recurring we get the answer, because 514 is not directly divisible by 60. Now here there is one more trick to find the exact time in minutes. I'll show you. See, here what I've done is I've written a table of 6, in fact 60, because 1 hour is 60 minutes. So here are the hours and here are the minutes you are getting. So 1 hour 60, 2 hours 123, 180, 240, 300, 7, 6 is 360, 7, 420, 8 is 480, 9 is 540. Now I have circled this 8. What minutes we got here is 514 minutes. Now this 514 lies between 480 and 540. It is not exceeding 540. So why I have circled 8 here is because we have to take this, because it's not more than this. So we cannot consider 9. So 8 hours. It has already crossed 8 hours. So here 8 hours is the answer, but we need to find the remaining time. That is from 514, if we minus 480, we get the remaining time. We cannot use 540 because this is the bigger number. We need to minus the smaller number. So 8 hours is confirmed. It's 8 hours. And now let's see what are the minutes in it. 8 hours. So if you minus this, you get 34 minutes. So 8 hours and 34 minutes is the difference between India and Sao Paulo, Brazil. Now in India, the match is started at 6 a.m. We need to find out the time at Sao Paulo. Now for this, now in the previous sums we have subtracted this. From 8 hours 34, from 6 a.m. we have to minus 8 hours 34. Now this has become the bigger number compared to this. Let's see what we can do here. See, we have to go back because Sao Paulo is in the western hemisphere. 6 a.m. the match has started. For this, now here I have done some calculations for you. 6 a.m. this is India, and we have to subtract from this 8 hours and 34 minutes. Now to make it a little easy, This 6 hours I've kept as it is, and this 8 hours and 34 minutes I've bifurcated in 6 hours plus 2 hours and 34 minutes. It is 6 plus 2 is 8. So 6 hours and 2 hours, so that is 8 hours, and this 34 minutes. Now we'll minus everything. This 6 hours minus this 6 hours and minus this 2 hours 34 minutes. Now if I minus 6 minus 6, you will say it is 0. Right, 6 minus 6, when we go back, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so it will be 12. It is AM here, this means this will be at midnight. It has already crossed the midnight. Now this is AM, this is a new day has started and they are already midnight. Now we only got 6 minus 6 is midnight. And what about this 2 hours and 34 minutes? We have to again go back. So minus this 6, again you minus 2 hours 34 minutes, you get the time 9 hours and 26 minutes. So at 9:26, the match started at Sao Paulo, and it is the previous day. Note this. They are 9:26 p.m. They are back of us. We are ahead. So for us it was 6 a.m. but for them it was a previous day, 9:26 p.m. I hope the sums are clear. Thank you.